I'm Todd Burns. I'm a Street Division Supervisor with the City of Oshkosh. We're going to talk about the excavator that's behind me. It is a John Deere 250G. We use that excavator year-round. We use it for a variety of things. We do city demos with this excavator. This is the same excavator that we removed the foundations at the Buckstaff's property. The excavator is 60,000 pound operating weight. It is 188 horsepower, and it can also reach a depth of 21 feet. The bucket is just a little over 2-yard capacity, and it is 4 feet wide. We also have another bucket, and that is primarily used for ditching. The difference between the two, the ditching bucket doesn't have any teeth on it, so it can smooth out the soil. We have one primary operator that does most of our demo work. He's most familiar with this machine, and he is very safe and conscientious.